Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the question where the goal sound is coming from in Rocket League. I've been struggling for a pretty long time. I had something really nice sound and then it went away, but I still had the same effect, but it was not the same music anymore, and was wondering where's that coming from. And here's the solution where it's coming from. I mean, I'm going to show you pretty quickly what I've been recording, how it looks or how it looked before. I hope you can hear that. Yeah, here again, one more time. Okay, these were actually two things. There was the sound and there was the visual effect with some also some audio effect. So there are two different things. I'm going to show you both of them. The one is coming from the customized car. You can go here to the goal explosions. That's just the visual effect and some little bit of audio effect, but it's not the music. So the question is, where is the music part coming from? Because it's a mixed thing between this audio effect and the music. And the thing is, yeah, we have to go out and then even go out here in main menu. Then we have to go to the profile and then we have the anthem. That's the player anthem, and we have a lot of variety. You can click here and then we have many things, and that was my thing. So it starts with the animation, and then the second part is more like this here, the player anthem, and that's actually already it. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.